Hey guys, Robert here. Mika is back. After about 3 months of hell, the transmission is communicating with the ECU. Hence, that's why I have her back today. I went down to the dealership this morning for a test drive to make sure everything was working fine, and as you can see, she's driving great. Got to make my way through some of this light traffic here. I'd like to welcome everyone, all the new subscribers, the OG subscribers, and the to-be subscribers. Subscribe and stay. Be a sticky subscriber. We're going to do some driving on the freeway tonight. Haven't had a chance to go out at night to do a nighttime video. Get a chance to do some high-speed driving instead of being in town in the city. I've been limited to staying in the area somewhat because of the loaner vehicle. They have like a 150-mile cap on it where you can't do 150 miles a day. So the loaner's back in the shop. Backward it is. And I think Long Beach, Signal Hill, Mercedes-Benz for getting Mika fixed. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be driving her. I got some new things for the channel. It's called subscriber request. And now that I got Mika back, instead of having a 100-mile radius from Disneyland, I just picked that as a center point because that's a good area that everybody knows about. And you can just search from Disneyland out. Now, instead of a 100-mile radius, we'll make it 600-mile radius. I need to get away from the spider web of freeways and the same cities for the last 3 months. I appreciate everyone. Bear with me on that. Soon I'll be able to start doing across the United States. I'll have to work my way up to it because of the financial part of it. But just real quick, night run. Right now we're heading on the 91 freeway. I know, heading east. I don't normally have a plan, but for tonight, I have an idea. Stay on the 91 freeway, heading east. I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna get on the interchange. 55 freeway going south. I know all these freeways should sound familiar to everybody, or everybody that's new. I'm sure you'll end up. You'll see. A lot of my drives do overlap same freeways and cities and streets, but because of the different time of day, you know, nighttime, daytime, sunset, all the cars are different. Things happen on the freeway that's different every day, so that's why I roll with it. Plus, I gotta take the same freeways too to get out of the area. So I try and tell my story of the drive that I take by not editing it. I try and give you the whole road trip, but I leave out like the beginning part of it because I go through the same areas all the time, every day, the same thing. So I leave that part out. I usually will chop it on the freeway, so you'll be like already on the freeway going. It depends on where I'm getting on at or getting off at. The reason why I like to drive a lot of the same areas, because I've been driving them for a long time and I know the roads, and I could actually have fun driving on them, especially at high speeds, like on the freeway. And what I mean by high speeds is freeway speeds, which in Southern California is 65 miles per hour. So we're now on the 55 freeway heading south. I'm going to take this over to the 22 because I'm staying in the area a little bit tonight because I just got Mika back and I don't want to go too far just yet. It's been a long road to get to this point. The reason why it's such a big deal to me is because I do preventive maintenance on my vehicles. All of them. They get the same attention, all the oil changes, everything is done proper. So to have this transmission problem has been a living nightmare for me. That's why it's been a big deal. And it is a big deal because Mika is the co-star of the channel. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be able to drive around. Now that I got her back, we're doing it. So if you have any subscriber requests that would be of interest, 600 miles radius from Disneyland. So if you just search from Disneyland, go 600 miles out, that's a big circle. And it's a lot of mileage. But check it out. Got a rough road here. So these freeways that I'm taking tonight, especially this route, it is like the best roads, the best freeways that I could pick for tonight that aren't pothole ridden, you know, they're really bad. And I need to take it easy for tonight. Tomorrow will be another day, and I'll be checking Mika out more as I drive tomorrow, because I just don't want to go too far away and have an issue. But I'm going up here, I'm going down here, I'm making my way through the traffic. We're going to go on the 22 freeway, which is the Garden Grove freeway, but I call it the Gauntlet. Why, you ask? Because every time you go on this freeway, there's debris in the roads, in the lanes, like ladders, wood, planks, tile, buckets, mattresses, anything you can think of is always going to be in this freeway. That's why it's called the Gauntlet. I'm the one that calls it that, nobody else. So we're going to be getting on 22 right now. We're going to be taking this over to the 57. Yes, I know, the 57 freeway going north. We're doing it. It's still a drive. I mean, see, look, everybody's like cruising real slow. I'm driving, passing them. The one drawback about this freeway, not only is it known for the debris, it's known for law enforcement. And as I speak, up in front of us at 12 o'clock is a CHP helicopter. They are always on this freeway, always. That's fine, it's keeping everybody doing what they're supposed to do. But you gotta have a little fun sometime. I know I don't get out there and burn up a whole set of tires in 20 minutes for you guys. You won't see me doing that. Too expensive. maybe with a different type of vehicle down the road, more power. So enjoy the drive. I'm going to chill out, enjoy driving Mika, relaxing, changing my mind. Now, instead of going the 57 freeway north, that's everybody, all 45,000 of you guys, crammed into the car. We're going to be now going on the 5 freeway heading north. And that's the freeway you take to go to LA. But I'm not going to go that far. I'm just going to take it to get off on some different streets. But I will tell you this. I am so excited. You cannot believe it. I am actually driving Mika. The car has never driven this good in a long time. Long time. Because when that transmission problem started about 10 years ago, I wasn't driving her. So she sat about 10 years. That's what happened. Because she sat too long, that's why the transmission went to hell. I was disabled and I wasn't able to drive the vehicle. So we're cruising now. I mean, we're doing like the flow of traffic on the 5 freeway going north. And this time of the night was a good call to go out. Over to the left, I know you can't see because it's nighttime, is, what a coincidence, Disneyland. You can even see it on the sign right there, Cattell Avenue, Disneyland Way. So that's where we're at right now. It's just taking these freeways, I could take them in a spider web, and it's like you could get on one area and get back off of the same area on a different freeway. And we're doing some serious cruising here, along with everybody else, because everybody likes to drive the same speed. But the car is actually handling so good. There's no pausing with the transmission problem that I was having. So it looks like it's fixed, and I'm glad it is. So since I changed my mind, I interrupted myself in signing off, and we don't have any stop signs or anything like that, or red lights. What I do is I'm just gonna let it go. I'll sign off. I appreciate everybody, OG subscribers, new subscribers, and to-be subscribers. I appreciate you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, the channel wouldn't be growing as much as it has. So sit back, relax. I'm going to be on the freeway for a little bit longer, and then I'll call it.